Hello children, a very good afternoon and welcome to my lecture. Children, today we are going to do our English subject section 4, that is novel section. Children, we already completed 4.1, that is history of novel. Now today we are going to do 4.2, To Sir with Love, written by E.R. Braithwaite. We know E.R. Braithwaite is very famous novelist. Children's To Sir with Love is written in 1959. Children's To Sir with Love, this novel is written by Sir E.R. Braithwaite. It is written in 1959. It is an autobiographical novel by Eustace Edward Ricardo Braithwaite, who was born in 1912 and well known by his name E.R. Braithwaite, set in the East End of London. This novel is based on true event concerned with Braithwaite taking up a teaching post in a Greensland school there. The novel is composed in 22 chapters, but in this chapter, children, we are going to learn only chapter number 17. So this novel carry 22 chapters with every possible detail, which give a remarkable insight into the politics of race and class in post-war London. So let's we do the children's 4.2, To Sir with Love. So before getting any knowledge regarding this novel, we have to come to know about the writer, who is the main character of this novel. That person is Eustace Edward Ricardo Braithwaite, who is written this novel To Sir with Love. Already I told he was born in 1912 and he is died in 2016, and well known as E.R. Braithwaite. He was a Guyanese-born British American novelist, writer, teacher and diplomat. Best known for his stories of social conditions and racial discrimination against the black people, which was going on those days in London or other country. He was the author of one of the famous novel, which is published in 1959, autobiographical novel To Sir with Love. He has written many more novels, among of that A King of Homecoming, and then he has written about his tour of Africa, A Choice of Straws, a novel set in London, and Reluctant Neighbors, a memoir also written, and treatise about racism. Braithwaite's numerous writings primarily deal with the difficulties of being an educated black man, a black man, social worker, a black teacher, and simply a human being who found himself in a set of inhuman circumstances. And among of that, Braithwaite is own one person who is suffering from these difficulties, means who is suffering from racism. In this novel, To Sir with Love, autobiographical novel, the narrator is an engineer, but to make both ends meet, he accepts his job of a teacher in a rough London East End school. The school is full of troublemaker students who are rejected from other schools for their behavior. Because of their bad behavior, their students are what? Rejected from that school, and they are taken admission in where? In this school. So at the beginning of the narrator is ridiculed with bullied by the students. Ridiculed means dismissed, means children are not accepting E.R. Braithwaite. At the beginning, children are not accepting the narrator E.R. Braithwaite. They are what? They are bullying whom their children are bullying Mr. Braithwaite. But later his calm behavior, demeanor means behavior, but later his calm behavior and desire to see them successful gradually earned him their behavior, means Braithwaite, because of their calm behavior and desire, afterwards he earned the respect by their children. Right, children? So next is what? First of all, we have to come to know who is the character of this novel. See, in this novel many more characters, and we are only, this novel carry how many chapters? 22 chapters. I think near about 200 pages this novel. But in this our textbook, in this section 4, To Serve with Love, whatever our portion, in that portion we are only going to do 17th chapter, means one extract we can say, or one chapter. To among of 22 chapter, we are going to do only one chapter, that is 17th chapter. So children, this all the major character and minor characters are given, but some characters you will not get in your textbook, so don't feel ये नहीं दिया है तो ये क्यों लिखा है इधर. So I'm going to give the information regarding some character. First of all, I read out the name of character, then afterwards some characters information I'm going to give. Those are present in our 17th chapter. See, major characters are how many there? There are 6 major characters. First one, Ricky Braithwaite, narrator, means who writer, own writer is the first major character. Second is what? Gillian Blanchard, and third is Mrs. Dale Evan. Third is Denham. Fourth one is Pamela Dare, and fifth one is Pamela Dare, and sixth one is Mr. Florian. Now minor character, there is many more minor characters are over there. First one is Bob Belmont, next is Jacqueline Bender, then next is Clinty, then Selma Drew, then next one is Hackman, next one is Moira Joseph, next is Palmer, next one is Euphema Phillips, next is Jane Purcell, next is Lauren Sells, next J.S. Belmont, then next one is Buckley, next one is Josie Dawes, next Patrick Farman, next is Dick Jackson, then next one is Monica Page, next one is Barbara Page, next one is Porter, then Spanio, and last one is Theo Watson. So this much is what? Minor characters, and 6 is major character. First major character is Ricky Braithwaite, who is a narrator. Already we taken information regarding Braithwaite. And second major character is Gillian Blanchard. So Gillian Blanchard, she is also a new teacher, just like Braithwaite. Braithwaite is immediately attracted to Blanchard's physically appearance, and she is what? She is olive with black hair and eyes, and suggests to him the lovely woman that he remembers from Martinique. She and Braithwaite develop personal relationship that leads to her engagement. Next is Miss Dale Evan. Miss Dale Evan, the teacher of domestic science, she has a ready listening ear and proven sound advice for the female students. Braithwaite finds her inspiring and appreciates greatly her candor and friendship. Next one is Pamela Dare. Pamela Dare, she discussed the subject of physiology with Farman, stealing the show by exhibiting a model of a human skeleton and stressing the class conclusion. Next is Mr. Florian. Mr. Florian, headmaster of the school, addressing the school on the day of the half-yearly report of the Students' Council. Denham, she is trained boxer and does not want to do PT. Denham is most senior student of Braithwaite class, creates a satire by speaking on the required subject of PT and game, complaining that the class was ill conceived and pointless. So in this way we learn about the major characters. Till here we taken information regarding major character of this novel. Now we are going to take information regarding some main minor character of this novel. Among of that, one is Clinty. Her full name is Miss Vivienne Clinty. She is an art and drama teacher. She is chubby but sharply and thirsty. Braithwaite find in her a friendliness, a certain brass animal charm. Next one is Miss Doda. She presented the report on history. Next one is Moira Joseph. She is what? She is a senior student of Braithwaite class, reporting on domestic science. Next is Eupema Philip. Eupema Philip is with Dele Evans and Mr. Weston are chosen the random to answer students' questions arising from the senior presentations. Next is Miss Josie Davis. She is a short but a strong looking young woman with short hair which adds to her mannish appearance that is continued with short-sleeved mansword. Next is Patrick Furman. Patrick Furman is discussed on physiology with Miss Dairy. Next we can see that is Dick Jackson. Dick Jackson is given information on geography. Next is Porter. Porter speaks in the field of the maths, that is arithmetic. Afterward is what? Espanol. Espanol is what? Espanol speaks on nature study. The class had made of paste, especially black rot on wheat, ball weevil on cotton, and the Colorado beetle on potato. And they said how the pests were gradually reducing the threat they represent on these important products. Next is Barbara Page. Barbara Page is giving information on geography. With Barbara, Jackson also giving information regarding geography. Then Miss Joseph. Miss Joseph gave a short address that their lesson had a particular bias. Particular bias means a strong feeling of favor towards the brotherhood of mankind, and that they had been learning through each subject how all mankind was interrelated or interdependent in spite of geographical location and differences in color, race and creed. Then next one is what? Theo Waston. Theo Waston, a slowly hirsute, cadaverous man who impressed Braithwaite mainly with his general untidiness, which enveloped him with a thin, squeaky voice. He is clinical about every issue and disparaging about the children. Next person is Jackson. Jackson spoke first on the distribution of mineral deposits and vegetables produced over the earth surface. Okay, in this way we learn some information regarding main minor character. Now we will do the plot of the novel, that is To Sir with Love's plot. Plot of the novel. Ricky Braithwaite is an engineer from British Guiana who has worked in an oil refinery in Aruba, coming to Britain just before the outbreak of the World War II. Then Braithwaite joined the RAF and is assigned to air crew. Demoted in 1945, He is unable to find work despite his qualification. Means he is too much qualified, but then also he is not getting any job. Why he is not getting job? Due to the racism. After discussing his situation with a stranger, he applying for a teaching position and is assigned to a Greenslead School, a secondary school in London East End. Most of the people in his class are unmotivated to learn and are only semi-literate and semi-articulate. He persists despite their unresponsiveness to his approach. Students attempt to discourage and demoralize him by disruptive noises, constant use of the adjective, bleeding in the classroom, and finally the burning of a used sanitary towel in the fireplace. This last causes Braithwaite to lose his temper and reprimand all the girls. Braithwaite decides to try a new approach and set some ground rules. The student will be leaving school soon and will enter adult society. So he will treat them as adult and allow them to decide what topic they wish to study. In return, he demands their respect and as their teacher. This novel approach is initially rejected, but within a few weeks, the class is largely won over. He suggests out of school activities, including visit to museums, which the students have never experienced before. A younger teacher, Gillian Blanchard, volunteered to assist him on this trip. Some of the girls start to speculate whether a personal relationship in budding between Braithwaite and Gillian. The trip is a success and more are approved by the initially skeptical headmaster. The teacher and the student council openly discuss all matters affecting the school, including curricula. The general feeling is that Braithwaite's approach is working, although some teachers advocate a tougher approach. The mother of one of the girls speaks privately to Braithwaite about the girl's troubling attraction to nightlife, feeling that he has more influence with her impressionable daughter. Braithwaite and Gillian fall deeply in love and discuss marriage. Her parents are openly disapproving of mixed race marriage, but realize that the couple are serious and intelligent and must be trusted to make the right decision. So, in this way, Braithwaite and Gillian got the marriage. So, this is the plot of the novel. After completing the plot of the novel, To Sir With Love, we will start the summary of the full novel. To Sir With Love is a work of fiction based on the life of the author E.R. Braithwaite. The main character E.R. Braithwaite works as an engineer in an oil refinery. He served in the Royal British Air Force in the war. After the war, being a black person, he was unable to find employment. As last resort, he applied in a school to become a teacher. Surprisingly, he accepted at the Greenslead School in London East End and is said to teach the senior classes of the school. To Sir With Love, his main character E.R. Braithwaite, he was engineer in oil refinery. At the Second World War time, he worked 5 years in Air Force in the war, and afterwards he is searching a job, but because of a black person, he is rejected from each and everywhere. Then by the suggestion of an unknown person, he applied in a school and by luck he got a job. in Greensland School, which is in London, and there he got to teach the senior classes of the school. While reading the novel, we have to understand that the time period in which the story takes place is very important. Braithwaite finds that even though he considers himself British and has served in a Royal Air Force, the English do not consider him to be one of them. This leads Braithwaite to feel bitter about the English and colonialism, as well as about his white student. By reading the whole novel, we come to know in which period he is written novel. That time Braithwaite is finding a job, but he is not getting a job because he is a black person, and each and everywhere where he is going for the job, the person is treating with the Braithwaite in a very bitter way, and that's why Braithwaite want to show what is going with him because of the colonialism. Braithwaite's teaching position start out roughly and age embraced time and again he considered his students disrespectful, ill-mannered and mischievous, while his students consider him to be an arrogant outsider, unfamiliar with the social environment in which they have grown up. The students harass him from day one, slamming their desks during his lecture, using foul language and bullying him to a great extent. Even the girl students do not spare a moment to harass Braithwaite. In a reaction to that, Braithwaite verbally scolded the girl for acting in an unladylike manner and being unruly in the class. Braithwaite got teaching to the senior student. When he entered in the class, the all students not giving respect to the Braithwaite. They are treating with Braithwaite very ill-mannered. They make mischievous pranks in the class while he is taking a class. They always give disrespect to the Braithwaite, and the student try to harass the teacher Braithwaite. How the today also children are what doing, when you are in the class, sometime you also disturb the class by banging the benches, by making whistle or making other sound. Same way Braithwaite class students also slamming their desk during his lecture time, and they are bullying by using the foul language. They bullying the Braithwaite. Even in Braithwaite class, girl students also not leaving any moment to tease the Braithwaite or to insult the Braithwaite, and that's why one day Braithwaite verbally shouted the girl for their unladylike manner. So when he understand that his outburst has not gained him any respect and cooperation from the student, he changed his teaching and handling tactics, and he decides in interact with them as though they are adult and respectable persons. He requires every girl be referred to as Miss and that his students call him Sir. At first the student find this level of difference ridiculous and unnecessary. However, they come around after only a few weeks, completely changing both their hygiene and their attitudes towards one another. This marks the success of Braithwaite in handling the student in a very amicable way. Now, when the students are teasing the Braithwaite, previous Braithwaite is shouting, but now Braithwaite adopted a new tactic, means new idea he adopt. Regarding this idea, he started the giving respect in his class student, girl student, he start the calling Miss, and the male student he start the calling Sir. Means he start the giving the respect to their students just like a adult person. In the starting, students are not taking this seriously, but afterwards, means near about few weeks, After Braithwaite observed, they start changing their behavior towards the Braithwaite, and this marked the success of Braithwaite in handling the student in a very amicable way. To increase the class cultural exposure, he takes them on field trip and excursion to museum and theaters. To everyone's surprise, many of the students have never been. A white female teacher, Gillian Blanchard, accompanies the class on this excursion. This marks the beginning of a friendship between Blanchard and Braithwaite. Similarly, Braithwaite's relationship with his student is tested many a time. To increase the class cultural exposure, he took his students to the trip, just like we take our student to the picnic. Same way, Braithwaite also takes their student on the field trip, excursion, just like museum, theater. To everyone's surprise, because some students have never been seen. So in this trip, Braithwaite got one companion, that is female teacher Gillian Blanchard. And this is the beginning of the friendship of Braithwaite and Gillian Blanchard. So similarly, Braithwaite's relationship with his student is tested many a time. Although his students frequently disappoint and hurt him, he learns to forgive them. The student constantly surprise him with their maturity, empathy and knowledge. I already discussed with you that Braithwaite students are not behaving with Braithwaite in a good way, means they are not giving respect to Braithwaite. They are behaving with Braithwaite very ill mannered. They are bullying the Braithwaite. So when the Braithwaite is start the ignoring their behavior, he started forgive them. Then students got the surprise of the behavior of Braithwaite, and afterwards slowly they becomes good students and they start the giving respect to the Braithwaite. Another facet of the story which greatly affect its narrative lies is the heavy history of colonialism, its dark consequences, mental and physical trauma that increases Braithwaite's hatreds and wrath for. He constantly feels the prejudicial effects of colonialism while living in England after World War II. And these negative experiences frequently shape his thought and actions. Braithwaite is surprised and shocked by the condition in which these students live, and also the physical trauma of the war that can be seen throughout his teaching environment. Another fact of this, another phase, सिक्के का दूसरा पहलू है स्टोरी का कि Braithwaite want to show heavy story of colonialism in front of all peoples, which is going on in beginning of 19th century in London, and because of that Braithwaite also suffered. And after Second World War, Braithwaite when got the teacher job, he is thinking this type of negative feelings and this type of irrespect any other student will get, how these things each and every student learn when how they will shape their future. And that's why Braithwaite written this novel to come to know what is the bad effect of colonialism and racism. After completing the summary of the novel, now we are going to learn the theme of the novel. Student and teacher relationship, prejudice and racism are the major theme of the novel. What is the major theme? What is the theme of the novel? Major theme of the novel: To Serve with Love, student-teacher relationship, prejudice and racism are the major theme of the novel. E.R. Braithwaite get a job of teacher in a rather rough and notorious school. He finds that students belongs to a background that is not suitable for learning and their overall development and progress. He notices that the students are in no mood to change their attitude and behavior. Braithwaite, with his novel and creative ideas, innovative techniques, and understanding the students' psychology, ultimately wins their heart in no time. Though he was bullied, harassed, mentally and physically tortured by many times, he didn't lose his patience and continued implementing his novel idea technique that helped him to bring a significant changes in his students' life. So, by these words, the writer tried to say how the Braithwaite, when got the job and students are not behaving with good way, but then also Braithwaite always forgive and he tried to behave with the children in a good way, and afterwards what this his which new technique he adopted, that technique helped him to bring the significant changes in his students' lives. The racism prevalent in Great Britain during in the mid 1940s, the time period during which To Sir with Love takes place, is the primary significance in the novel. The narrator cites repeated incidents in which he experiences the racism of white Briton, including encounters on the bus, at the job interview, at the Greenslade School, when searching for house, at a restaurant with his girlfriend, and so on. At the outset, Braithwaite is struck by the unexpectedness of such prejudice. He was brought up in British Guiana and he viewed himself as a British citizen, not a black British citizen in a British colony. When he served Great Britain in the Royal Air Force, that gave him respect and esteem in the society. The day he left the job, he found himself to be an outsider. What the Braithwaite tried to say, Braithwaite say, he thought when he is living in a British society, he thought he is a citizen of British, and he say he is getting more respect when he is working for Great Britain in the Royal Air Force. After losing his job, he loses his respect, means he find himself just like to be an outsider. Braithwaite's extensive experience and education was of no use in job interviews, where he is informed that the job has already been filled or he is overqualified for it. This heightens Braithwaite's sense of betrayal for the British. Interestingly, he never lashes out physically and only rarely does he do so verbally. He exhibits patience, endurance at times, and at other he describes the way the rage inside him is transforming into hatred so strong that he desires to hurt those who treat him unfairly. As a result of such experiences, Braithwaite finds the students at the Greenslade School to be a bit notorious and rough in behavior, but with proper care and treatment, all the students would surely achieve success and desired goal in their life. Now, Braithwaite's experience is what? Braithwaite was too highly educated person, but when he is going for the interview any places, he is not getting a job. The person is replying, the job is already given to other person, or someone giving answer, you are overqualified, means you are not fixed for the job. And this way Braithwaite is each and every place, in this way he make them insulted. This heightened Braithwaite's sense of betrayal for British. So in this way Braithwaite have in his mind what? Hate regarding the British. But Braithwaite never lashes out physically, and only rarely does he do so verbally. So afterwards, when Braithwaite got the job in school, he tried to teach the student. Even In green school, all students are very notorious. They are not behaving with a Braithwaite's good way. But then also by the proper care and treatment, all the student would surely achieve their success and they get their desired goal. In this way, Braithwaite make the notorious students as successful students in their life. So in this way, children, today we studied in 4.2 To Serve with Love, introduction regarding the writer E.R. Braithwaite. Then we take information regarding the major character and minor character. Then afterward we studied summary of the whole novel. Next we studied the theme of the novel. So remaining part of this novel we will study in next lecture. Thank you.